Hi everyone, Noelle Young here with another special edition of Tzeachten Now. You guessed it, we are checking out the hoods on our res. Why, you ask? Because we're catching up with Loren, the compost counselor. Definitely not the same ring as Dan the housing man, but whatever. Hey, sup, compost counselor?
Oh, hey, Noelle from Tzeachten Now. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good, good. I'm glad you came over. I just wanted to show you my new state-of-the-art compost bin I got here.
State of the art? Mm-hmm. All right, let's get this show on the road. So why would I compost my stuff when it fits so perfectly in my garbage can?
Well, that's a great question. The landfills are overflowing right now with all of our crap. I can say crap, right? And 40 to 60% of actually what we throw in the garbage is compostable.
Compostable?
It's a word.
All right then.
Anyway, there are many reasons, as you can see.
Okay, so how does this puppy work? Define compostable. Or what can I compostabilize? It's a word too. Anyways, compost counselor, give me a list of the goods that can go in this state-of-the-art compostable bin. This, Sandra's toilet seat, this.
Well, Noelle, you can compost anything that's nitrogen-rich from your kitchen, like, fruits or vegetables, and even you can compost hair or lint from your lint trap.
Hair? Kitchen waste? Alrighty then.
Your coffee grounds here, you can toss those in there. Yeah, some of that.
Some leaves?
Yeah, some leaves, that's great. And you can even put some of this, smaller twigs, nothing too big, that won't break down. And some of Sandra's hair from her dryer. And then if you have any cows, chickens, or pigs, you can actually compost all of their manure as well.
Yeah, because we got all those. Okay, so say after a day of following my chicken around to collect its crap, then what?
Well, that's a great question. So once you've collected all that nice fertile crap, you're going to want to close her up, give it a couple turns once every week for probably 2 to 3 months. And once you're done, you should have this nice dark soil here.
Wow, so rich.
Oh yeah, and it can be used for lots of different things.
Oh, like other stuff.
You can actually put it in your flower beds or even your indoor plants.
Okay, compost counselor, so what about things getting into my bin, like rodents, cockroaches, or the smell, or dirt thieves?
Well, Noelle, I can give you 2 solutions. If you're dealing with a smelly compost bin, chances are there's not enough airflow. You're just kind of having things sit in there. It'll be wet and soggy. So what you want to do, again, you can add more leaf litter like we've already added here today. Or if you have access to lime, dolomite, or wood ash, you can toss that in there. Just give it a turn and that'll take care of the smell. And if you're dealing with rodents, and you've got one of these, you don't really have to do much. Just keep it closed, give it a couple turns, and keep it free of any rodent attractants.
Ooh, rodents have an attractor.
Yeah, rodents are attracted to meat, bread, and dairy products, so just make sure not to put any of those in there. And as for dirt thieves?
Well, compost counselor, I think that's gonna stick. Where can I get one of these bins for my compostabilizationable stuff?
Well, Noelle from Tzeachten Now, that's a great question. If you want one of these bad boys, you can just contact Dan the housing man, and he'll set you up.
Excellent. Okay, well, thank you so much, compost
Yeah, you're
counselor.
welcome. You're welcome.
See you around.
See you.
Well, that's all the crap I have to throw at you this time around. Happy compostalizing your horse, cow, and chicken crap.
This has been a Bear Productions.